Let's go. Yes. Good. You feel good? Good. You feel good? Keep going. Yes. Good. The ball goes straight in a straight line to the defender. You bring it to her. Go ahead, move. You bring it to her. Bam. And then you step over. Bam. Bring it to her. Bring it to her. Back. And then step over. Bam. Bring it to her. Step over. Yes. Again. Keep going again. Two more times. Uh-huh. Let's go. Now gain speed. Let's go. Gain speed. Gain speed. Back. Back. Gain speed. Back. Back. Ready. Nice. Next. One more time. Good. But now I see you looking down at the ball. In the game, you can't be looking at the ball. If you look at the ball, it's just to let you know what you're going to do. But to make the move work, you can't be looking at the ball. Then you give it away to the defender. Right? Okay. That's good then. And then you look at it. Yes. Drop. Good. Let's go. One more time.